So I have a piece of cotton stuck in my ear, and that is why I've come to this barber shop here in Siem Reap to try to have it cleaned. And she had on a lampshade just now. I decided to bring out the big guns. Here's a headlamp. Hopefully she gets the color out. I'm just concerned about it. I don't know I don't know what the piece of cotton is going to do inside my ear canal, but if she gets it out, perfect. There, perfect. She managed to take it out. That's it. Wow. My hearing is suddenly all so much better. But this is very relaxing for me. Oh, wow, I didn't know that much cotton was there. So if you clean your ears with cotton swab, make sure they're high quality cotton swabs, because yeah, mine just like disintegrated in my ear, and she managed to get all of them. Look, oh wow, it's sturdy. There, now I feel as if I hear angels singing in the air, because now my ear canal is clean and free of obstructions, and this ear cleaning session is lulling me to sleep. It's a good choice that I didn't wait till I got home to have this done. She has a lot of things on her hands, but I have to say she's very gentle with those instruments. It just feels so good. I could literally fall asleep here. It's a bit ticklish, but it's relaxing as well.